Welcome to another WakeNbake Recipes. Today we are going to bake an artisan bread made with Tritordeum flour. This flour will give a lovely nutty taste and a beautiful golden yellow color. As the developer explains, the three main benefits are the organoleptic profile, the nutritional characteristics and its sustainability. For this recipe we will need Tritordeum flour, water, salt and yeast. Put the flour and yeast into a bowl and mix it. This cereal contains gluten, but the quality is different from other gluten-containing cereals, such as wheat or spelt. That's why we are using a different mixing method. Now add your hot water to the bowl. The temperature of the water will help activating the yeast and enzyme activity. Start mixing slow for 3 minutes. The dough is not finished yet, let it rest for 20 minutes. When the 20 minutes have passed, add your salt to the dough. Adding salt delayed will improve the gluten network, which is needed for this cereal. Start mixing slow for 1.5 minutes. And then mix fast for another 1.5 minutes. As you can see, the dough is very extensible and you should be able to look through the dough. Now let the dough rest for 1 hour. I am using a big box for this, and don't forget to use some oil. Now fold your dough like this. Cover it up and repeat the folding once every 20 minutes, so 3 times in total. Don't deflate it too much when you want an open structure. After 1 hour it's time to divide the dough into 2 pieces. I am using my baskets to let the breads proof in. The hairnet makes it easier to get the dough out before baking. Dust them with some flour. Now divide your dough into 2 pieces. Now shape them into breads. Place them upside down into your basket, because we will flip them before baking. I am using my box again to cover the breads. And use some warm water inside to create moist and heat. Let the breads rest for around 2 hours. The longer they rest, the more flavor you get. When the 2 hours have passed, the volume of your dough should look like this. Now we are going to flip the breads. I am using a baking tray upside down with baking paper on top. This way we can bake our breads on the oven floor. Use a knife to cut your breads. Now they are ready to bake. Thank you for watching. Did you like this recipe? Let me know, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.